you looking for a place to grow food with your community gardening group, or to grow food to sell as a market garden? You might qualify to lease a city-owned lot in Minneapolis. Groups looking for a place to start a garden and grow food, either for their own personal use or for donating, can qualify to lease a city-owned lot as a community garden for $1 a year, plus a one-time fee of $50. And qualifying market gardeners, those are individuals or groups of people who grow food to sell or donate, can lease a city-owned lot as a market garden for $150 a year. There's also a one-time fee of $50. Some lots could be sold for development. If the lot is sold, gardeners still keep their lease through the end of the current growing season. Please note this program does not lease individual plots to people looking to join an existing community garden. And because the city tests all the lots, due to soil quality in some areas, gardeners will be required to install raised beds. That's it. We hope to see you gardening soon. For more information on available lots and where to apply, visit the city's website or call 311.